today we have a collection of pure katan silk, and just see this is the contrast option, and you can see like we have a different color for this particular design, and we have like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just I'm going to show this blue color, and it's having like bird full sari is a kadua, not like a fake or cut work one. It's a totally kadua weave sari and exclusive design of the pure katan silk, and you can see it's beautiful sari. It's a royal color of the sari, and it's having birds weaving. I have like 100 of the birds is here. So if you're looking for this kind of designs, you can go ahead with this piece.